Fantastic Mr. Fox, written by Roald Dahl, illustrated by Quentin Blake. Chapter 1. The Three Farmers. Down in the valley there were 3 farms. The owners of these farms had done well. They were rich men. They were also nasty men. All 3 of them were about as nasty and mean as any men you could meet. Their names were Farmer Boggis, Farmer Bunce, and Farmer Bean. Boggis was a chicken farmer. He kept thousands of chickens. He was enormously fat. This was because he ate 3 boiled chickens smothered with dumplings every day for breakfast, lunch, and supper. Bunce was a duck and goose farmer. He kept thousands of ducks and geese. He was a kind of pot-bellied dwarf. He was so short his chin would have been under water in the shallow end of any swimming pool in the world. His food was doughnuts and goose livers. He mashed the livers into a disgusting paste and then stuffed the paste into the doughnuts. This diet gave him a tummy ache and a beastly temper. Bean was a turkey and apple farmer. He kept thousands of turkeys in an orchard full of apple trees. He never ate any food at all. Instead, he drank gallons of strong cider, which he made from the apples in his orchard. He was as thin as a pencil and the cleverest of them all. Boggis and Bunce and Bean, one fat, one short, one lean. These horrible crooks, so different in looks, were nonetheless equally mean. That is what the children round about used to sing when they saw them. So after reading chapter 1 of Fantastic Mr. Fox, we now have a follow-up task to do. So our learning intention for this task is to find the information in a text, which really means you're going to look for words, pictures, descriptions of characters that you can find within the chapter we've just read. So that might mean you need to pause or rewind this video to find the things you need. For your task, it is to draw one of the farmers we have read about in chapter 1. Please write around or under your picture some words you could use to describe the farmer. Now you get a choice of the farmers. You could either draw and label Farmer Boggis, Farmer Bunce, or Farmer Bean. So remember, you only have to choose one of these farmers and see if you can describe them using some adjectives. Now I remember there being lots of adjectives in chapter 1, such as one of them being very tall and skinny, one of the farmers being quite fat. We found out what they eat, or in fact that one of them doesn't really eat. Okay, so there's lots of clues back in chapter 1 that you could use to help you.